going on, guys? Rob from clicksgeek.com. In today's video, we're going to go through a client case study. This is a live campaign running in Google Ads. I'm going to walk you through the entire thing. This is in the auto glass repair niche, and this is a client who does fixes window chips and cracks and stuff like that, windshield replacement, all kinds of stuff like that. And this is for mobile, so they actually go out and replace people's windshields on their cars when they're at work and stuff like that, or at their house. And they just pull up in their van and they do their thing. So check this out. Alright guys, what you're looking at is inside a live client's Google Ads campaign in the auto glass and windshield repair niche. Last 30 days, which is October 22nd to November 20th, 2022. So if we walk through the stats here, you're going to see some pretty interesting things. So they've gotten a ton of clicks, 652 clicks in the last 30 days, 9,314 impressions, 7% click-through rate, which is awesome. We always want to be above 5%. The average cost per click is $6.38, which is pretty average for the auto glass space. The total they spent in the last 30 days was $4,157, and a budget that they have set at $80 a day, which they are playing around with between 100 and 80. They keep moving it around. So you don't need to spend $80 to $100 a day, guys. If you're watching this and you're an auto glass business, you don't have to spend this, so don't get scared by that. This guy's running 5 days a week, Monday through Friday, at $80 a day, and then he goes up to 100 sometimes, depending. He adjusts the budget based on how many leads he needs. But you can successfully pull this off with $50 a day, Monday through Friday, and still have a very successful campaign. So keep that in mind when you see this number. In return, they've gotten 245 leads in the last 30 days. 245 full contact forms or phone calls. This is a mixture of both of them. So that is a ton of freaking leads. They've gotten those leads at a cost of $16.97 per lead, which is right around where we want to be for auto glass space, around $15 to $18 is where you want the sweet spot you want to be at. So this guy's right in there, doing very well. Conversion rate for the campaign-wide conversion rate is 37.58% conversion rate, which is friggin' insane. That's amazing. We love seeing conversion rates above 35%. That's unicorn status. If you look at any statistics from the Google Ads space, from competitors, stuff like that, the average conversion rate is around 7 to, I think it's 13% industry-wide, depending on industries, but I think just like the PPC space in general, I'm pretty sure that's the blanket average conversion rate. It's like 7 to 12% or something wild like that. So let's go into this guy's actual campaign. We'll see the ad groups. Okay, you'll see here he has a bunch of geo ad groups. He's obviously out in Texas. And a lot going on here. A lot of geo ad groups. He's got 20 ad groups. Most of them are geos. If we sort by clicks, we'll see here our SCAG has the biggest amount of clicks and leads. So 349 clicks for the window replacement SCAG, 123 leads. Next up we got Houston, 116 clicks, 49 leads. So these conversion rates are insanity. You'll see here the conversion rate column. Look at these. 35, 42, 38, 50, 41, 21, 50. Crazy, right? I mean, where do you see conversion rates like this? And guys, anyone can do these campaigns. And I know I say that in all my case study videos, but there's nothing special about this campaign. You can build this campaign. The real magic comes in turning this traffic into actual phone calls, right? And that's what our landing pages do. They're specifically designed to do that. And that's how you get these conversion rates like this, is we refine the traffic and make it as high as quality. We distill it, right? So we distill the Google Ads traffic to the highest quality it can be. We funnel it directly into a sales funnel page, landing page for lead generation, and we make them take an action to either pick up the phone and call or submit a contact form to request a quote for our client. And that's really it. If we go into the SCAG ad group, like, it's just exact and phrase match. It's actually really not a SCAG because we're going after two different variations of it, but whatever. We'll call it that for now. But yeah, this is all. I mean, look at these keywords. They're all exact and phrase match. So it's not like we're doing anything crazy with like broad match keywords, sending all that traffic. Like, all this traffic's coming from really high quality stuff. Windshield replacement, replace windshield, right? I mean, look at this stuff. bunch of geo ad groups. So if you're in Pearland, Texas, or Katy, Texas, and you search auto glass replacement Katy, Texas, and you see an ad saying, hey, we replace windshields and auto glass in Katy, Texas. All right, well, we sent 17 people saw that. 17 people searched exactly this keyword, exact match keyword. 17 people searched it. 10 of those people called or submitted a form. 10 out of 17. So we sent 17 people to our landing page. 10 of them became a lead for our client. It's easy to do, right? All we're doing is we're connecting people. Somebody types Google auto glass replacement, Katy, Texas. They see an ad. Hey, we replace auto glass in Katy, Texas. They go to landing page. Hey, we're in Katy, Texas. We're based out of Katy, Texas, and we replace auto glass we'll come out to your house, come out to your business, we'll do whatever. Get a free estimate. Call for immediate help. That's all we're doing. That's it. That's how Google Ads works, guys. It's not like this big complex thing that everyone wants to make it out to be on YouTube. It's very simple. We're just connecting people. The biggest hinge, the biggest way you can swing your campaigns is the post click. Getting the clean traffic is the easy part. Go to the Clicks Geek channel and watch any of my videos on, optimizing campaigns or cleaning up search traffic. Once you get the clean traffic, it's easy. Because now we know we're only sending the most distilled, pure quality, high quality traffic to our landing pages. If there's a problem with conversion rate, it's not the Google Ads campaign. It's the freaking landing page. So we already know why it's not working. Now we just start reverse engineering the landing page. Like, all right, why is it not working? Let's try a different hook. Let's try a different button color. Let's try a different headline. And from there, you just keep digging down until you get something that works. That's really all it is, guys. So check out the devices. This is basically all cell phone traffic, right? Out of 652 clicks, 534 of that were on cell phones. And that sent 195 leads, and 50 leads came from desktop computers, laptops, whatever. So kind of crazy. Actually, desktop's converting at 42%, and mobile's 36%. That's interesting. Cheaper leads from desktop. Probably because we have a negative bid adjustment on here. So I would actually just going to pop that down a little bit to 6% instead of 10 and just see how that does, because I want more of that high converting traffic. But besides that, guys, this is it. I mean, I can't show you the ads, obviously, because it's a live client campaign. But the ads are exactly what the ad groups say, right? So let's take one of these ad groups, for example, Houston Auto Glass Replacement. We go into this ad group. It's all about auto glass replacement in Houston, okay? Obviously, it's very high quality. If an ad group is about auto glass replacement in Houston, the keywords are all about auto glass replacement in Houston. The ads are going to talk about auto glass replacement in Houston. Then it's going to go to a landing page. Guys, what do you think the landing page is going to talk about? Correct. It's going to talk about auto glass replacement in Houston. So our message match is exactly the same all the way through. That's it. That's all it is. We're giving the searcher exactly the answer that they searched for. They're searching to replace their auto glass, whatever, windshield, side window, back window, whatever it is. Doesn't matter. We'll list it all on the landing page in the ads. We're giving them what they're looking for. And that is why the conversion rate is for this ad group is, 42%. So every 100 clicks we send this ad group, every 100 clicks we get, 42 of them are becoming a lead for this client. Anyone can get results like this, guys. Anybody. If you have any questions about the auto glass niche, drop them in the comment section below this video. I'd love to actually hear your guys' experience if you guys have run any clients or you have an auto glass business of running your ads in this space, because these are just home runs. Every time we get a client in this space, it's just out of the park. It's very templated. There's no guesswork for us anymore with this niche. We just clone it, swap it, turn it on for the new clients, and move on to the next one. And they always get results like this, which is wild. So in the comment section below this video, guys, drop in and let me know if you have any questions about this or your experience in running these campaigns in this niche. I'm really curious about that.